Hey, this is Wade Bravo here. This is my character sketch for my original character. His name is Vincent. He is 30 years old, black hair, black eyes, and um, this character sketch I've made in the software Autodesk Sketchbook. That's where I created this character. The reference I took was from J. Jonah Jameson from the Spider-Man movies and comics. I thought the character design was really funny and a lot of fun to draw, so that's why I took inspiration from his character design. Um, Other topics is like what time period is he on? Is he from? He is from the 1960s. What environment or land is the character from? He is from India, like pretty huge state in India, Maharashtra. He's the character, so his name is Vincent. Age 30, gender male, height 5'10", weight 160 lbs, race brown, eye color black, hair color black, no glasses, nationality Indian, skin color fair but brown, shape of face, I guess triangle, health pretty good. He's actually a doctor. Um, um, so favorite saying. Um, Actually, the inspiration for this character kind of came from my grandfather. I didn't really get to know him much because he died when I was 4, but I wanted to play tribute to him, so that's why I kind of designed this character having him in mind. So his walking style, it was pretty slow. He had trouble walking. Disabilities, he didn't have much. Greatest flaw, he trusted a lot of people he shouldn't have, and he then started having trust issues. So that was the problem. Best quality, he's great and very helpful as because of being a doctor. Talent and skills, he's obviously a doctor, and he was a doctor whose client came at his house to get the checkup and understand what condition they have, and Vincent helped them at his house and checked up, and he could easily tell if a person is sick just by looking at them. Intelligence was pretty high. He could, as I said a second ago, he can just tell what problem you have. You don't even have to show any part of your body. Just by looking at your face, you can tell what problem you're facing. Emotional state, it was pretty down because Vincent, he got thrown out of his family. He had to start from square one. Everything he accomplished was just him, and relationships. He married another Indian girl. He settled down, had 2 kids. What are the characters' mannerisms and habits? Because of him being treated badly by his family, his habits were like drinking and smoking. That's why the character has has this in his hand to signify that. Two important events in the character timeline leading to up to this point, because obviously one of the important events was the character being thrown out of his family, and another important event was while when that happened, a doctor actually saved his life, and because he was living on the streets, a doctor actually saved his life because he was really sick, and a doctor cured him, and that's what inspired him to become a doctor as well. What is his character archetype? He's a pretty funny and down to earth character. He is very helpful, kind. What is character's motivation and goal? His goal really for his life was just to get recognized and not feel like not feel left out like he was at the start of his life. How does the character accomplish or plan to accomplish that goal? He became a really well-known doctor, so he definitely accomplished his goal of being recognized by a lot of people in this city. What distinguishing marks are visible on the character and how do they appear? He doesn't have many marks, or he's just at the point that I drew this character. He is 30, but he still has like white hair, and he just looks old because of everything that he's been through. And yeah, the design process, as I said, was taken from J. Jonah Jameson, and everything else I just tried to find a different attire or a different outfit that I can make him wear to make him stand out more. And yeah, that's pretty much it.